Welcome to Mount Washington in New Hampshire. At 6,288 feet tall, Mount Washington is the highest peak in the Northeast. On a clear day, visitors can see for 100 miles from its top. Mount Washington has some of the world's most severe weather. It can snow here all year long. The peak is also one of the windiest places on Earth. My family visited Mount Washington when I was your age. We rode the Mount Washington Cog Railway to the top. The train is the second steepest mountain climbing train in the world. The wind speed that day was 75 miles per hour. My mother still believes that if she hadn't held on to me, I would have blown out to sea. The highest wind speed ever reached here was 231 miles per hour. That was in 1934. Mount Washington sits in the White Mountains of New Hampshire. The White Mountains are part of the Appalachian Mountain Range. The Appalachians are one of the oldest mountain ranges in the world.